Friends, very warm welcome to Indian Home Recipes and Remedies channel. I am your friend Rohit Malhotra, and today we are going to see how we can preserve or store the carrot. You know that carrot mostly comes in the season of the winter, and as in my previous video I have shown you about the green peas. Just like green peas, carrot is also very much favorite to us. So today what we will do, we'll see how we can store it for a longer period of time, at least for 6 months to the 1 year. And to do that I have taken the half kg of the carrot, and other than that we will require the water, normal water, and some amount of cold water or ice cubes. So just arrange all these things and then we will start our process. Friends, what we will do first we will wash these carrots and then we'll peel the upper layer of the carrot, this layer, so that cleaner part will come. Friends, you can see that we have washed the carrot and also we have peeled the upper layer of the carrot. Now our carrot is looking nice. It's clean also. Now we'll cut into the small pieces. You can cut the long pieces or you can cut it in the round pieces also. Both will work for us. Friends, you can see that I have cut carrot into the long pieces. Instead of long pieces, you can make the round pieces also. Not what we will do, we will take one vessel. I have taken this vessel and we will take some water into it. I have already have water into it. Now we will put this water on the gas. We will start the stove and we'll wait for some time until this water becomes warm. So we can see now that the water is almost boiling or very near to boil. So now what we will do, what carrot pieces we were having, we will put all of those pieces into this water. And we'll keep these carrot pieces in this water for 2 to 3 minutes and make sure that the stove you will keep on high flame. Don't lower the flame, keep the flame high for the stove and keep these carrot pieces in this boiling water for another 2 to 3 minutes. Friends, now we can see that 2 to 3 minutes has gone and our carrot is there in this boiling water. Now what we will do, we will remove the carrot and we will take out the carrot from this boiling water. You can use some filter for that, and make sure one thing here, that in boiling water you have to keep the carrot only for 2 to 3 minutes. If you will take it for more time, its colors may change and its taste may also vary. So be very careful. Friends, you can see that we have filtered the carrot. All carrot is there and water is down in this another vessel. Now we'll take one more vessel and we'll take some ice cubes into that. Now with ice cube, put some normal water into this so it can become cold water. So friends, you can see we have add water into the ice cube. So this has now become the cold water. Now what we will do, the what carrots we have kept after filtering, now we will pour all those carrots into this cold water. So friends, you can see that we have put all the carrot into that cold water. Now we will left this carrot in this cold water for another 3 to 4 minutes. After that we will again filter it and take it out from the water. Friends, it's almost 4 minutes we have left the carrot into this cold water. Now we will take it out from this water. We will filter it. So friends, you can see that I have filtered out all the carrot pieces from the cold water. Now what we will do, we will take some plastic packets which will have also zips, like you can say it has a zipper. If you are not getting a package which has a zipper, you can use a normal plastic packet also, and then you can use a rubber band which ladies use at home to tie it up. So friends, you can see that all the carrot pieces we have put inside this plastic packet. When you are putting this pieces inside the packet, just make sure one thing, that there is no air inside the packet. You have to remove all the air before closing the packet. So if you are taking a normal packet, you don't have the zip packet, then what you can do, you can tie it up with a rubber band like this. So now we'll keep this carrot pieces into the refrigerator, and we can use it for 1 year. It means we can use it in summer season also and have a nice taste of these carrots. Thank you very much for watching these videos, guys. In our next video I will come up with some other home remedy or home recipe. Till that time, if you like this video, please click the like button, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, friend.